Very old task. We've done hundreds of times. Hundreds of times. It's very important because it has many objectives. The main one is to sort of burn our primitive instincts. Our primitive instincts, you are well aware of the reptilian mind, right? It doesn't exist. This is a fantasy. There's no reptilian mind. There's no evolution. This is all Darwin was a crazy man. And the truth is completely different according to the partners. This primitive heritage, it comes from our Anunnaki genes. Okay? They are very violent race. They are very primitive. Even though they are technologically advanced, they are very primitive. So they fight between themselves. They're always, having orgies, if you will, with their women. They covet the friend's woman, and they're crazy. It's really crazy. They are not, let's put it this way, spiritually advanced, even though it's not the proper name, description, because the concept of spirituality is not really, what is the name. Nevertheless, this is the primitive, our primitive side that we inherited from the Anunnaki. This helps to sort of ease it, to neutralize it. It helps us to achieve a neutrality state, a state of grace. A state of grace has absolutely nothing to do with tree hugging, I love everybody in the world, nothing of that. This is fantasy to make you feel good, but there's no real effect. This task really works this aspect, very, very important. Also, the neutrality, the state of grace is paramount for the transmutative process. Very important, because one of the main tools that we have to really harness is the Kundalini. Kundalini, I don't like to use this term because it has a mystical connotation. I prefer to use the term the partners use, primal energy. That's how they say it. So it's a very powerful energy according to the partners. There's only one person in the world that knows about it, which is, of course, Surajit. He was trained by them for the past 50 years. So he was the only one, and he's going to teach us how to harness it. But we have to have a very balanced, we have to have a neutrality, real neutrality. We have to have this state of grace very strong in us so that we can harness safely this energy, because it's very, very dangerous otherwise. And this is a basic task in order to achieve this state. Together with GNA ships that flash the red lights. The red lights is Christic energy. And it helps when we absorb these photons, these red photons, it helps to increase our level of neutrality, of state of grace. Very important. Also in Dakilal only, we have tasks together with the partners where they make these balls of light, huge balls of light, red, to explode near us. We've done this many, many times. This is very important because it's also this energy. It has nothing to do with Jesus Christ. It has to do with a specific frequency of the partners. That is the frequency of Emmanuel and Lilith, which is JC and Mary Magdalene. So it's part of this huge preparation for the transmutative state. After this task, we're going to have, for the first time outside our headquarters, the task of the mental fortitude. The mental fortitude is a mental fortitude task to strengthen our fortitude, our inner selves, our mental selves, because what we're going to witness and what we're going to live in the coming months, it's going to be overwhelming. And if we're not prepared, you're gonna go crazy, virtually crazy, because the world's gonna change dramatically. And people, I don't seem to realize what's going on. It's a huge reset. We're coming to a period where a perfect storm is going to happen with the shift of the modulating waves. The approach of Nibiru is going to cause crazy chaos. Crazy. Millions of people will perish. Unfortunately, this is cyclical. It happened in the past. It's going to happen again. But this one is a perfect storm because the powers that be will take advantage of this transitional moment and they will use their silent weapons, psychotronic weapons, all these armaments that people are not aware of, think it's science fiction. They're going to use this on the population. Their plan, according to the partners, is to wipe out 75% of the population by 2025. So, months away. And they are doing that. Because the social media is so controlled, so censored, we don't really know what's happening. But there are many world scientists, independent scientists, most of them are in the pockets of the elites. Of course, they control them, with the funding they provide to these people, they control the science, they control the media. But those independent ones are beginning to talk about the excess deaths. And I had a doctor in Portugal. She had access to the European Union Statistical Bureau, and she was telling me there's 40% in excess deaths in the European Union. 40%. So it's crazy. It's totally crazy, the situation. It's happening in Brazil. It's happening here in the States. It's happening everywhere, except parts of Asia and Africa. Why? Because in Africa, most African countries, they didn't get the jab. So they're safe, but they will use other weaponry there because they want to wipe them out too. Especially there, they want to wipe out 90% of the population. So it's crazy times that are coming. We need this. The partners are emphasizing a great deal on this fortitude, mental fortitude. As a matter of fact, we have mental fortitude, emotional fortitude, financial fortitude, and financial, mental, emotional. Did I miss?
Physical.
No, mental. No, mental, yeah. I already said. No, I think it's only this.
Yeah.
So they are focusing on that. Every gathering in our headquarters, we are doing tasks. Pilu is telling us, do it again, do it again, do it again, because it's very important. Otherwise, we will not be able to, in a neutral way, to witness all this that's coming. That's very unfortunate, but we have to sort of tell the truth. You know what? This is it's not a sea of roses. It's not like, oh, kumbaya, hold your hand. We all love each other. It's not that. Unfortunately, it's not that. So this task is very important. I was very pleased that Pilu authorized me to do it because he never did to anyone. Only Uraji did this sort of task. So I was very, very happy, for you guys that are able to do this very important task and unique. I will place the crystals, the force field will turn on, you guys walk, do it, then I have to collect it and take it back to Brazil. I cannot leave it here. These were specific instructions from the guard it with your life. So I have to do it. Pictures. You can take photos.
Vai começar que a carne tá ficando quente.
Tá assando aqui já.
Sim. É o Daniel. Desce. Daniel Duron.
Pode começar. Eu achei que você estava sabendo.
My buddy.
Pode
Bliss.
passar. Chora, Paulo.
Pode contar que a carne tá pedindo.
My boy Bliss.
That's you with that name, right? Bliss is you, I don't know.
Eu gravar.
Não, eu quero pôr, porque vai
Você
ser
não gostou?
Não, vai ficar com gosto.
Manda ver.
Chora, Paulo.
É mesmo, hein?
Já fez a contagem?
Eu vou fazer a contagem, a pessoa fala o número. O número
Chora,
e o nome.
Paulo. Alô.
Eu conto.
Deixa essa aqui que eu como sem
Eita, pega.
Como crua. Sou índio.
Não.
Esse parece profissional.
Sim, esse sabe muito.
Tudo bem? Enéas,
Sou Camon.
prazer.
Prazer, Cleiton.
Cleiton?
Cleiton.
Você é marido da Lilian, né?
Sim, marido ali.
É. Então eu tenho visto a sua foto já.
Tem que deixar aqui. É, mas não pode
Vai
ficar
ter,
mexendo.
vai
Tem que
ter
deixar ele grudar
pão
no-
também com mel?
Sim, vai ter pão.
Tá bem.
Senão você vai virar e fica virando escuro.
Tá bom. E aí, a hora que for mexer, você me fala pra mexer também.